In this video, we'll talk about the vaginal mesh litigation as we move toward 2024. We'll discuss important information women need to know if they have experienced complication from vaginal mesh implants. We'll cover who is eligible to file a vaginal mesh lawsuit and the potential settlement value of these cases. Vaginal mesh implants are medical devices used to treat pelvic organ prolapse in women. These devices were widely used starting in the late 1990s and early 2000s. However, over the years, concerns have emerged about the safety of these implants. Unfortunately, many women who have received vaginal mesh implants have experienced serious complications, including mesh erosion, internal infection, organ perforation, vaginal scarring, chronic pain, sexual dysfunction, and other complications. Thousands of women have filed lawsuits against the manufacturers of vaginal mesh implants. Transvaginal mesh lawsuits generally involve claims that the mesh implants used to treat pelvic organ prolapse caused serious complications. Plaintiffs allege that manufacturers failed to test the devices adequately and did not warn of potential risks leading to injuries such as mesh erosion, infection, and others. These lawsuits often argue that manufacturers were negligent in designing and marketing unsafe products. But the biggest claim is the failure to warn. Victims seeking compensation for medical expenses, pain and suffering, and other damages. Most transvaginal mesh lawsuits have been settled. The settlement amounts were honestly not fantastic. A lot of the lower settlement payouts were because these cases were part of an MDL class action. The cases largely got dumped into a big bucket where thousands of people got settlements, but the amounts weren't very high. But now, vaginal mesh lawsuits are not in a class action and are being pursued as independent claims. And the mesh makers, who are still printing money with these products, are offering compensation ranging from $150,000 to $400,000 on average. Some cases have also resulted in significant jury verdicts, reaching up to $80 million in one case. To be eligible for a vaginal mesh settlement, you must have suffered injuries from a vaginal mesh implant and received treatment, often surgery. The quality of these products varies, so it's crucial to identify the manufacturer with the help of a vaginal mesh lawyer. Our vaginal mesh lawyers are really drilling down on Boston Scientific and Ethicon, a subsidiary of Johnson & Johnson. The statute of limitations is a key factor. Some women may be ineligible to claim due to time constraints. However, it's possible to mistakenly believe the deadline is passed when it hasn't. A consultation with a lawyer, which is usually free, can clarify your legal options and whether you can still file a claim. If you believe you have a vaginal mesh lawsuit, it's crucial to seek legal counsel. A qualified attorney can assess your case, advise you of your options, and guide you through the legal process. Our law firm is dedicated to helping women who have suffered from vaginal mesh complications. If you believe you may have a case, please don't hesitate to contact us today at 800-553-8082.